This is the folding wheel beer, which comes with an optional leatherette cover. It has 4 long 9-inch handles, which are simply operated like this to overcome steps and difficult situations. The wheel beer is made out of mirror polished stainless steel and folds out like this. It's got 8 black rubbers to rest the coffin on, and also comes with 4 braking casters, which are operated like so. The trolley itself has a max load of 250 kilos, and it folds up neat and tidy like that. That's the folding wheel beer.